Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my jungle garden. Yesterday we discovered our first gardener snake. G-A-R-T-N-E-R. Growing up I always thought it was gardener snake because they like the garden, right? Turns out those snakes are only poisonous to snails, which is good for killing off garden critters. So apparently gardener snake is actually a friend of the garden. It's medium small, so we're living and let living with that snake, letting him eat off our bugs. But maybe we can find him and get him on video. What do you think? Hey Josh, are you a superhero?
Yeah.
You got some letters?
Yeah.
Cool. So my husband was mowing the lawn yesterday, and so I saw a snake. See, like the snake loves this kind of stuff. I basically, I made a perfect home for a gardener snake here by making a jungle, pretty much. So we saw it over here and going over here, and it's probably living here. There might be more than one of them, but we are figuring out life with a gardener snake in our garden, right? So my marigolds are blooming. Not mine, my girls' marigolds are blooming. Look, it rained, so I have 1, 2, 3. I think there's one over here too. 4. See that? See that? One right there. One right there. One right there. One right there. I have at least 4 of these lovely. I'm gonna just let them keep growing, get bigger. Why not? Figuring it out. The eggplants. I need to get some recipes. Drop your eggplant recipes in the comments below. So here we have our marigolds are finally blooming. Look at that. 1, 2, 3 full blooms. A few half blooms. A few more ready to bloom. And who knew that marigolds would get so huge before blooming them? I mean, you did if you're a gardener, right? So let's check out some watermelons. Ooh, this watermelon's getting huge. I'm gonna set it up on here just in case that the watermelons could be like cantaloupes and that they can soften. I don't know. Tell me in the comments if you know if I need to have them on a hard surface. So let's count watermelons. 1, 2, 3. I know there was one over here. Yeah, the beginning of one right there. See that? Do you see it? It's little. Beginning of one. So that's 4. We'll count that as number 4. Let's see if we have any more. 5. Wow, look at that. Let's move this. Okay, so I set that up on the corner because I'm like, if it's gonna rot from being on a soft spot, like I know cantaloupes do, I don't know if watermelons do, let me know in the comments if you know, then I'm gonna put it on a hard spot. I'm just looking for some watermelon. So how many do we have? A whole bunch. Like, what is that, 5 or 6?
Let's show the video the tiny watermelon.
Yeah, I just did.
You just did?
Yep.
Oh.
I think.
Look!
What, baby?
Rain!
Rain? Yeah, it rained. It rained all morning and all night last night. That was pretty cool. Let's go.
Get that too.
This is this right here is some basil. Okay, so I've got a bunch of grass in here with my other stuff because obviously I know exactly what I'm doing with gardening, right? Not. So
Let's go to the
these tomato plants continue producing, even though, they don't like too much sun and they dry up parts of them, and I take that off and they seem like they're dying and they keep making more tomatoes. I don't know, they're resilient, I guess.
No, bud. Don't eat this box.
So here's a watermelon right here.
No,
There's
bud.
2 watermelons right here. They're getting big. Let's see if we see any new watermelons. I've got a bunch of grass in here. I might just have to pull a bunch of grass. So this is a basil plant. That's a basil plant. There's supposed to be a couple of bell pepper plants in here. They might have died. I don't see them. They might have gotten covered up. Okay, excuse me, love. So let's check out our bell peppers, see how they're doing. See these bell peppers? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna let them grow big, see what happens with them. for
The video.
a bunch of buds.
Did
1
you
second.
show the video of the flag?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The other day I had 7, now I have 9. They're really growing. I've got buds on here. Just buds on that one. And then this one pretty much died, which is fine.
Did you show the guys the flag?
Oh, the flag. See, that's our flag for our garden.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And we're going.
So this blueberry plant, unfortunately, I believe has died. And it was all because of the bullying of some mean old cantaloupe vines.
I wish it was windy today, but it's not windy today.
Here's the beginning of a cantaloupe right here. Here's the beginning of a cantaloupe right here. Here's the beginning of a cantaloupe right here. This one was hiding from me. There's another one right here. Okay. We're gonna harvest this cantaloupe today. It's ready to harvest. Let's pull it off. It's already off. Oh my goodness, it's already disconnected.
The other one.
Do you want to carry it in? The other ones still have green lines on them, so they're not sweet yet. So we're gonna give them a few more days. Let's carry that in.
Mommy, the watermelon.
So I don't see our snake friend, but we researched him. He is a gardener snake and he's not poisonous to us. So that's good. So yeah, that's the update on my jungle. Next year, I have plans of making all of this right here more. Let's talk about some of my plans. I'm gonna make some more raised beds next year. I'm gonna have 1 container full of blueberry bushes, 1 container full of tomatoes, 1 container full of strawberries, 1 container full of squash. I might keep the same container for squash, I don't know. 1 container full of cantaloupe, 1 container full of watermelon, 1 container full of peppers. How many containers is that? A bunch. I'm gonna have some sort of things for vines to grow on for, you know, like green beans and
Mommy, can you
cucumbers. Lots of dreams. Lots of
Can
dreams.
you show the video that side of the garden?
Yeah, the squash.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, let's go see the
What
squash.
can I go with you?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Don't forget to close the gate behind.
Okay, baby. These are our solar lights that light up at night. Okay, so what Daddy did was Daddy cut the grass all around here last night, so he put all of our vines inside. So we're going to take the vines back out. But when we find dead vines, we're going to pull them out. This is a dead vine. These are living vines. It rained. See, these vines... Okay. See, those are eggs from the bugs. Squash bugs. Those are baby squash bugs right there. You see that?
I don't know. I'm going to check if
Give me a
there's any
minute.
bugs on.
Excuse me, love.
Oh! There's some eggs on here.
You see eggs on there?
Yeah.
Any leaf you see with an egg, you can take the leaf off. This is the beginning of a squash.
Oh. Look, right
Thank
there.
you. Yep, we gotta squash that. Look for some more.
Okay, I'm gonna look for some more. More!
See all those bugs?
There's 2 of them.
That's a full-grown squash bug right there. These are the baby squash bugs.
There's 2.
Get them.
Okay. I cannot get this one off.
That's a leaf full of squash bugs, I tell. Okay, which one?
This one.
Yeah, thank you.
And there's one more. I don't know what it is. No.
This is another kind of bug that I don't know if it's good or bad. Let me know in the comments. I have no idea.
Well, squash bugs are bad.
So there's a bunch of, squash bugs are. What they do is they kill your whole vine. They live in the vine.
Oh.
I'll show you. Here.
I found the one that had an egg.
Thank you, baby. I'm gonna get this dead vine out.
Can I punch them?
Yeah, go for it, baby. Aw, man. So this dead vine was connected to some very lively stuff. Oh, well.
I don't know how to punch them.
Just squash them.
You just
Squash the squash
them.
bugs. So, you know, even if all of this dies, we had a good run with our squash plants this year.
How did Daddy do that?
No, it wasn't Daddy's fault. It's the bug's fault. I'm trying to get all the dead out. Just bugs.
Guys,
Let me get all the dead stuff out. No, guys.
No!
Chill, Esther.
No, Deborah, no, Josh.
They can come.
No.
It's fine.
No. Go back in.
Chill out, Esther.
How about you go? Guys, don't fall. No. Guys, don't fall. I have an idea. Yeah, guys, can you just
Hello, beautiful bug. I'm not going to kill you. You're gorgeous.
don't go on the road?
You're gorgeous.
I like all these plants, but I don't like the pokes got hurt.
See, it's just a lot of bugs living in here.
There's a lot of bugs.
You know what I think? I think squash plants just smell like candy to bugs. Let's go. I know. Okay, my kids, we're not going by the road. Let's go back inside our enclosure. This is why we have a yard to play in. You have boots on, baby girl? Okay, come on. What is this?
A cantaloupe.
Are we going to eat it?
Yeah.
Do you think cantaloupe tastes good?
Yeah.
Yummy. Who did we give a whole cantaloupe to?
Emily.
Who is Emily?
She teaches me piano lessons.
Yeah, she teaches you piano lessons. We got to give a cantaloupe to her. She loved it. It was super yummy.
Yeah, we should do that next Wednesday.
Yeah, if we have another one then. You mean next Friday?
Next Friday.
Are you swinging with your ladders?
Yeah.
Whee! Baby Caleb's sleeping inside. Taking a nap. Whee! You want me to get you? Caleb's sleeping in his bed.
Ready?
Whee! Watch out, Deborah. We got some boots on. Over there is where we have our garden, and I'm gonna extend that garden over to here. All of this is gonna be garden. We're embracing the possibility of bugs and snakes.
No. No, my turn. Uh-oh, Josh.
We got a princess, a gardener, and a superhero. Whee!
Got you.
Whee!
Got you. Got you. Got you.
You're getting me? You're kicking me? Oh! You're kicking me? Oh! I'm not very good. Oh! Hey! You got to get me? Ow! Hey! Don't kick me. Oops, I burped. Are we going to eat some cantaloupe today from our garden?
Yeah.
That'll be super yummy. Thanks for watching our video. Are we having fun?
Yeah.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye.